So next one is reports. So in the previous session we have seen mind map. Okay, so in this creating a report, I'm not going to create new sources. Okay, let's create using the existing source itself. Okay, uh, we can ask. Okay, let's see what it gives. Create a professional investor report based only on uploaded sources. Include executive summary, market opportunity, product strategy, revenue model, regulatory consideration, and 3-year growth projection assumption. Okay. So it is going through all these. Okay, this is the one way of doing it. Okay, I didn't click on this. I went through the chat way. I created this prompt. Okay, I gave the prompt so that it can create this particular response. So you can save it to note. Okay, so once you click on this, it will create a note. Okay, this is the one way of doing it. Now let's try with reports. Okay, let's click on this reports. Okay, it has got multiple option: create your own, briefing doc, study guide, blog post. Okay, let's try with create your own. Okay, and let it be English by default, and describe the report you want to create. I will give the same prompt which I created just now outside this particular um, pop-up. Okay, let's say generate. Okay, let's see whether it will give you the same report or something else. So it has created the report. Let's have a look at the report now. So it's slightly different than what it has created here. Okay, so if you can see here, there's a proper uh, table created. So this is much better output as a report. And whatever we have asked, it has given us everything. Okay. So this is how you can create a report. You can copy the context with formatting and you can paste it anywhere on your Google Docs anywhere. And you can directly export from here. You can rename the report, export to sheets. Okay. You can see the custom prompt what we have given. Okay. So these are the option what you get. Is creating a direct report, okay, by creating your own. So this is something, it will take some time, but based on what sources you have given, it will suggest you some of the format here. It's a ready-made format what Google Notebook will give. Okay, so you don't have to select anything. Okay, so let's show me the demo of concept overview. Okay, same thing. Here only difference is it's based on your sources. Google decide what are the probable reports which can be generated. Okay, rather than rather than this creating your own, right, briefing doc or study guide, it will only suggest the format. So this is the only difference. So I want you to try out all these, and whatever suits you the best based on what you are working on, you should select to create the report. So these are, in your work life. Okay, you come across lot of document. Okay, you want to collect everything and you have to create a report, then this is the report tool which you can make use of. Okay, and it is you can directly publish it on a Google Doc and then make a PDF, okay, as a full-fledged report, or you can also format it to the Google Sheets, okay, as a Excel output. You can do anything with this. And if there is a study guide, it's a short answer quiz. Okay, suggested easy questions and glossary of key terms. So let me try that also meanwhile. Okay, so it has already created the concept overview. While it is creating the new report here, we can take a look at it. Okay, it has created it beautifully. So I'll not go into detail of this, but it has created the report. Okay, so always see, it has even created the kind of a checklist kind of thing. Always when you feel if it is a good report, you can give this rating, and if it is a bad report, you can give the bad report. So by this we can, we are going to teach the AI what is behind, NotebookLM, whether the outputs are good or bad. Okay, that will help the model to improve themselves. Okay, what I feel is it's a good report, so I'll mark it as good report here. So meanwhile, let's see if it has created the study guide. Okay, so if you can see this, it has created short answer quiz, and what are the answers for this, essay questions, glossary of item. So these are like very handy if you are a student or a teacher or a parent. Okay, you can feed with all the notebook resources and YouTube videos, whatever sources it may be. Okay, and you can create a comprehensive study guide using this particular technique. In this case, it has created a study guide for Indian skincare and cosmetic industry. I hope you find this useful. See you in next video.